Join me today as I colour in this abstract hibiscus flower. I used to be scared of using red in my colouring and my artwork, so I thought I was going to dive in today with this vibrant red. And I just love the stripiness of this abstract design. So I'm going to try a bit of red and then go over with this darker kind of wine red as well. But we have lots of hibiscus flowers flourishing all year round where my studio is in Spain. So I see these every single day. We have red and yellow and peachy colours as well. And they are so beautiful. I love them. So in addition to the two reds, I'm using this lovely blue in the background, and I've got my Posca paint pen in gold out as well. So I'm just going to put some finishing touches with that Posca white pen and the gold, just to kind of make the design pop a little bit more, and we'll see what it looks like when it's finished. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I rather like these two reds together.